Hello friends, I welcome all of you to the exponential classes. In this video, I'm going to explore some of the interesting features of PowerPoint presentation. We all know how to design a PPT, but some interesting features will add a flavor to it. So let me start. Before writing out anything, I will suggest to save your PPT at once. To save, you can use the shortcut F12 key. Then you can save your document as whatever you want. I already saved it, so I cancel it. Now whenever I'm trying to start my PPT, I'm inserting a new slide. You can use the shortcut Ctrl plus M to insert new slides whenever you want to insert them. Let me come to the second slide. I can see the title here, so let me add the title: interesting features of PPT. This is my title. Let me select this title box. Let me go to the format. I will fill this title by some color, say this color. Now, what happens, you can see that the title of the second slide have been backgrounded by green color, but rest of the slides, the title is not backgrounded by green color. If I want the uniformity in my PPT, then I have to have the same background color in each and every slide. So what can I do for that is just go to the view, go to the slide master, then click on the title, select that title, go to format, fill that shape by green color as I want it to be, then go again to view and go to normal view. Now you can see that each and every slide have the title which have background a green color. So this is one of the important and interesting feature of PPT. Now let me jump to the another interesting feature of PPT. Now whenever I want to write something in a slide, I have to go for a layout. When I see at layout, I can see many types of layout: title slide, title and content, sometimes section header, to content, comparison, title only, blank, content with caption, picture with caption. But it is sometimes necessary to have a different kind of layout that will allow me to do something more in a single slide. But that is not present here. So what can I do? I have to construct my own layout. So how can you construct your own layout? Let me tell you. Again, go to the view, go to the slide master. Here you will see insert layout button. Click here, insert layout. After layout being inserted, just right click it and rename your layout. Suppose I want my layout name as Nagesh. So I will say rename. So the layout has been renamed now. Then go to the insert placeholder. Suppose I want a picture to be placed here at this point. This much should be my picture. Okay, again go to the slide master, insert placeholder. Suppose I want text should be placed here. Suppose this much should be the text of my slide. Then again go to the slide master. Suppose I want to insert some media file. Suppose I think that media should be played here in this much content. And then suppose I want some another type of things, a table or chart, anything that you want. Suppose I want some table, I can use that table here. Chart, suppose I want chart, I will write that chart here. That's it. Suppose I want my slide like this. Here will be picture, here will be content, here will be media, and here will be chart. Okay, and here will be title of the slide. So after doing all these things, just go again to the view, go to the normal. Okay, now come to the slide. You will go to the layout. You will find that the layout that you have created is appearing here. You can select that layout. Interesting features of PPT. Okay, now you can add any images. Suppose I'm selecting this and let me choose this image, mathematics. So image has been inserted here, mathematics, and you'll find that image has been inserted in the exactly same space or equal space allotted to it. Then I have to add some text here. I will just add mathematics is beautiful. Just for example, demo purpose, I will just write mathematics is beautiful. You can write here media. So I will click on this. I want to have some media with me, so I will go some video files and I can find some videos here. Let me choose one of them, or I can go to the downloads and I can see this is one video. So let me insert that video here. So you'll find that that video have been inserted. If I click on the play button, then video will be play.
Mathematics is the queen of sciences. There's mathematics.
So this way you can add the video, you can add the chart here, you can click on chart. Suppose this is chart, then say OK, then chart will be inserted here in the exactly same space that you have allotted for the chart. So in this way you can construct your own layout and you can make your presentation more beautiful. Thank you so much. I hope you find these things interesting and you will use these things in your presentation. Thank you once again.